am not a fan, I gotta tell you, I am not a fan of kids deciding their parents' plans, okay? So when somebody tells me, "Oh, I need to check out with the kids," it's like, I hope you don't really mean that. I hope to goodness you don't mean that you gotta get your kids' approval for your plan, all right? Because here's the problem with that. Here's the problem with going to your kids for approval. The problem is if they agree with it, well, what did it get you? What did it get you? Right? Nothing. I mean, so what? Mom and dad are supposed to make decisions. They made the decisions, and they say yes. That's a good thing. Okay. What? Do you get a prize? What's the goodness that comes from that? I don't see any goodness that comes from that. All right. It's just the status quo. However, if they disagree with what you're doing, right? Do you really want to be led by the nose by your kid? You realize your kids leading you by the nose? That's what you want? Really? Are you likely if it was different than what they expected or what have you, do you really want to give in to that? How does that make any sense? Oh, I don't think Tommy should be in charge. You should put Esmeralda and then Timmy and then Tommy. It's like, whoa, who needs it? Who needs it? If they agreed with your lineup, if they agreed with the distribution, wonderful. Okay. You didn't get anything. If they disagree, now you've created tension. For what? What are you going to give in to the kids? How does that make you feel? Right? You want their input. I'm not saying you don't want their input, right? But you don't want to say, okay, after you get the input, after you've talked to them, right, and you've gotten a sense of what's going, from their perspective, make your decisions, right? But don't go to them, oh, here's what we're planning to do. What do you think? It's like you're not going to be happy if they disagree with you. Okay? And it's your stuff anyway. So why shouldn't you be the one making the decision? Now, if you pick Tommy to be the head of the thing or Betty or whoever, right, to be the head of the thing and they don't want to be, well, you need to know that, right? Would you be willing to help us with these decisions? Yes, I will. No, I won't. What okay, fine. That's good information. Also good information to know whether or not they want the crystal chandelier that you are going to leave to them. Also good information to know. But it's not appropriate. It's not useful. It's not helpful in the family context, right? To put together a plan and then ask your kids to pass judgment on it or to amend it or whatever. The way to handle it is you talk to your kids about what the issues are. See, after the three secrets, this is how it should go. After the three secrets, then you talk to your kids. So, oh, I'm concerned about this. You know, what input do you have for me? What would you like me to know? Oh, I really want the couch. Or I really want the TV. Whatever it is. Okay, and then you make your plan, and then that's it.